Jamie's Wilderness. Adventure. A camping trip with lessons. Jamie and his classmates are introduced, packing their backpacks with essentials like water bottles, snacks, and sunscreen under the watchful eye of Mr. Edwards. The class arrives at the scenic campsite. They learn to pitch tents under Mr. Edwards' guidance, emphasizing teamwork and the basics of selecting a safe, flat area. The children take a nature walk, where Mr. Edwards points out various plants, teaching them to appreciate the beauty of nature while respecting wildlife habitats. Mr. Edwards demonstrates how to find and purify water, introducing the children to the concept of survival in the wilderness. The class learns about gathering firewood and building a campfire safely, understanding its importance for warmth and cooking. A lesson on using compasses and maps unfolds, with Mr. Edwards explaining how to orient themselves and navigate in the forest. Basic first aid skills are taught, including how to clean a cut and bandage a wound, highlighting the importance of being prepared for minor injuries. The leave no trace principles are introduced, teaching the children the importance of preserving natural spaces by minimizing their impact. A magical evening of stargazing, where Mr. Edwards shares fascinating stories about constellations and the universe, igniting the children's imagination. A discussion about wildlife safety, teaching children how to behave if they encounter animals, emphasizing respect and caution. The children engage in team-building exercises, learning the value of cooperation and communication in overcoming challenges. Everyone participates in cooking a meal over the fire, learning about outdoor cooking techniques and the joy of sharing a meal in nature. Around the campfire, Mr. Edwards tells inspiring stories of adventurers and survivalists, emphasizing courage and perseverance. The children experience their first night in tents, discussing their feelings and the importance of a good night's sleep outdoors. The class wakes up to a breathtaking sunrise, practicing mindfulness and expressing gratitude for the beauty of nature. Mr. Edwards guides the children in building shelters from natural materials, teaching them about resourcefulness and ingenuity. The children create crafts from found natural materials, learning to appreciate nature's offerings without causing harm. As the camping trip winds down, the class reflects on their experiences, sharing what they've learned and how they've grown. The importance of leaving the campsite cleaner than they found it is emphasized, with everyone pitching in to ensure no trace is left behind. The story concludes with the class's return journey, filled with stories to share and a newfound respect for the environment and each other. to sleep. Good night, baby.